Who was first woman president of इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का पहला महिला अध्यक्ष कौन था? ऑप्शन डी, एनी बेसेंट इज द राइट आंसर. She was selected as the first woman president of Indian National Congress in 1917. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? 1857 की रिवोल्ट के समय इंडिया का गवर्नर जनरल कौन था? ऑप्शन बी, लॉर्ड कैनिंग इज द राइट आंसर. He was Governor General of India from 1858 to 1862. That which one of the following is incorrectly matched? Option D is the right answer. Balboa. Balboa was the first European to reach the Pacific in 1513. The first Viceroy and Governor General of British India was Warren Hastings. Option C is the right answer. He served as Governor General of India between 1772 to 1785. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? 1857 की रिवोल्ट के समय भारत का गवर्नर जनरल था लॉर्ड कैनिंग. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. ही सर्व्ड एज ए गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम 1858 to 1862.